everybody! Did you know that making AI videos can be very simple and free? Many people nowadays use Kling, Filmora, VO3, but in order to create the video, they have to pay subscription in order to create it and to download it. And I'm gonna show you how to make 1 hour long, high quality videos in AI and absolutely for free and simple. Okay, so make sure you watch it till the end because I'm gonna show you everything in detail, how to stick all the parts together and to bypass daily limits. Okay, so right now we go to Grok. So this is Grok. I want you to go to the bottom left corner and click on your profile, then go to settings, here, click it, and I want you to get to behavior. At the very bottom, turn off the button for automatic video creation. You need this so your limits are not wasted when you haven't written a prompt yet, but the video has already started generating. Next, go to the Imagine tab, and here we can create images and videos. At the bottom right, you have the generation settings for photos and videos. As an example, we'll generate a cartoon in Pixar style. First, I went into Gemini and wrote this prompt. You could have written this prompt right inside Grok itself. Then, we copied the request for creating the first scene and go into Grok. So we can see that Gemini created us the prompt for Grok. So we just highlight it, copy, and go to Grok. Paste the request into the text field. Okay, so first we need to generate an image. So in the settings, we choose the aspect ratio. In this case, let's do it 16:9 and create the image. And based on this image, we will later create our video. So the images are being loaded. Yeah, you can see, so Grok created many different images and we can choose actually the ones we like the most. So I've chosen this picture. Now we need to save it. So we save it right here. Perfect, so the picture is saved. And now we need to go back to Gemini and to copy the same prompt that we copied before. So this one. Perfect. Now we go back to Grok and paste the same prompt. And now we will generate the video. Yeah, and it's very important that you choose to generate video here in the settings, not image. So the video is being generated. Let's wait. So now we got the full video ready to be used, as you can see here. And also now you need to download it. So in order to do that, you have to save video frame as. Yes, right here. So now you choose where you want to save it. And yeah, as you can see, it's right here. The video is saved. Now we go back to Gemini. Go to scene number 2, find the prompt for Grok. So we basically need to choose highlight, copy. Good, now we go back to Grok and paste this prompt for the second scene. Now we need to push enter. So yeah, now you can see the second video is created for the second scene. Perfect. I have also created a full guide for video generation and different prompts for Grok. Let me know if you need it in the comments. Okay, so right now let's go back to Gemini to scene number 3 and copy the third prompt for Grok. So we paste it. And it's also important to write so the Grok wouldn't change the appearance of the boy. So do not change the appearance of the boy. So writing that. Good, now we click. And waiting for the third video. Yeah, so we can see the boy. He's opening the book. The third scene. Perfect. In case you're not satisfied with the video, just click redo. Click it. And then you'll see the new video is being generated. So let's wait. Yeah, so we see the next video. Grok has redone it. And if you're not satisfied, you can click again, redo. If you want your character to speak in a video, you can do that as well in Grok. For example, in our case, let's write, in that video, the boy says, wow, it's such an interesting book. Okay, so we type it here and click again redo.
It is such an interesting book.
I also decided to make an experiment, and I'm asking Grok to create to me a very good prompt for a video with the dog. Okay, and the words that the dog should be speaking. Okay, so let's test it. Let's see what Grok tells me. So as you can see, Grok has shown me a few examples which I can use. Let's use the first one. Let's go to Imagine and just copy the whole prompt. Yeah, you need to choose video and just copy here the prompt. See how big it is? So let's wait for the video and let's wait what happens next. So now we received 2 videos with a dog. Let's listen to it.
Welcome to NeuroDog, the podcast exploring the canine mind. Today, we're diving into how dogs process emotions.
So as you can see, we've got the full video with the speaking dog. That's it for today, guys. It would be great if you would subscribe to my channel for more videos, and there will be much more interesting and useful content about AI on this channel. See you soon, guys.